Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a common challenge for game developers and 3D artists. We'll learn how to convert uasset files from Unreal Engine into .fbx format. This is super useful if you want to use Unreal Engine assets in other 3D software, like Blender, Maya, or Unity. Let's get started. First, understand that directly converting uasset files isn't usually a straightforward process. The uasset format is specific to Unreal Engine. It contains much more than just the 3D model data. It includes textures, materials, and other engine-specific information. So, we need a workaround. One popular method involves using the Unreal Engine editor itself. Open the Unreal Engine project containing the uasset you want to convert. Locate the asset in the content browser. Right-click on the asset. Select Asset Actions. Then choose Migrate. This process copies the asset and its dependencies, textures, materials, etc. to a new folder. Now, in that new folder, find the static mesh or skeletal mesh. Right-click on the mesh. Select Asset Actions again. This time, choose Export. Select FBX as the export format. Configure your FBX export settings. Pay attention to options like collision, LODs, and smoothing groups. Adjust these settings based on your needs. Export the asset. You now have an .fbx file. Another method, useful if you don't have Unreal Engine access, involves using dedicated asset extraction tools. These tools can directly extract the mesh data from uasset files. However, these tools are often paid software or may require some technical expertise to use. Always research and choose a reputable tool. Be careful about downloading from untrusted sources. Once extracted, you'll likely get a .fbx file. This method bypasses Unreal Engine entirely. It can be faster but might require additional work to set up materials and textures correctly in your target software. After converting, import the .fbx file into your 3D software of choice. You may need to adjust the scale, rotation, and materials. Textures might need to be reconnected. This depends on the complexity of the original uasset and the export settings you used. Remember to check for any errors or missing components. Clean up the model in your 3D software if necessary. This might involve removing unnecessary geometry or optimizing the mesh. That's it. You've successfully converted a uasset file to .fbx. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Sharing this video with others who might find it helpful would be amazing. Your support really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover.